Are you interested in how to add remove magnification on your Nokia C01 Plus? If yes, today I will show you how to do it. Welcome to Hardware Info channel. Our first step to do that is from main menu we must navigate to the settings. In it we look for accessibility. Right, where is our accessibility? Right there. And there we have our magnification. We must tap on it, and now we must turn on this function. Confirm by OK, and now we have this people icon in the right corner. When we press on that, our magnification is on. To zoom our screen, we must tap on the screen. To change position of zoom, we use two fingers, and we can change easily position of our zoom. To turn off it, we press on our person icon on the right corner. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.